Do you know what is wonderful? If an emergency comes and you have money to tap into. Well, I have a 52-week savings challenge to help you get one started and keep it going if you don't have one. And it is working with small amounts of money, and it will really help you no matter what your financial situation. I'm trying to show you that you can still save money for emergency no matter what your financial situation is. So stay tuned and join me for this 52-week savings challenge, which is almost completed. Like all the other savings challenges I have, we're at the end of 2025. We're getting to the end of 2025, and these savings challenges are almost completed. And we're going to start over in 2026. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025, let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also? And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for emergency fund, and you will be happy when you have some money to tap into if an emergency comes. Look, we don't want them to come, but just in case one comes, we want to be ready. And we want to make sure we're putting money away. We have to be patient, consistent, and disciplined. Constantly adding to it and disciplined by not touching it. And I have 7 savings challenges. And today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 7, which I do on Sundays. And it is working with change. Yeah. This is an easy one. We all get change at sometimes. You find change in your sofa, in your car, on the ground, everywhere. We always have change. When we break a $1 bill, $5 bill, $10 bill, $20 bill, we should have some change. Now me, I wouldn't carry no money on me, so I would not have a lot of change. And how I get this change, I go to the bank and get rolls of change, okay? So that's how this has been getting filled up. And when I first started this savings challenges, I was just grabbing random amounts of change and just throwing it in here. And I started thinking, well, maybe I'll increase it, okay? And that's what I did. And look, this is heavy. See how full, can you see this? See how full this is? It's almost to the top. And I was looking in my planner, and I think we have 3 more Sundays in this month, and this will be completed then. Now, I'm only gonna put 2 rolls of quarters in here today, which is $10 and $20. That's all I'm gonna add today, because I want to stretch it out to the rest of this, through the rest of this month. And so, you know, you can do whatever is comfortable for you. And 2026, we're going to do this again. We're going to start this over in January 2026. So go ahead and start getting yourself ready for that. You can start putting change in one now. But like I said, in 2026, we're going to continue this one. Because I think this is the easiest one I have, okay? And so this is going to have to go to the Coinstar machine at the bank that I bank at. This is going to be a chore to get this in there, because this is heavy. Yes, it is. Now, we want to save, what do we want to save? At least $1,000, the net recovery mercy up to $1,000, but we don't want to stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Now, we're not going to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses and change. This wouldn't hold that. But you want to have that money in the bank in case something like this happens. You want to be ready. You want to be prepared. You want to have some money to tap into if something like this happens. And even if you have something like this, you'll have some money to cover these. And if you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses paid and you have something like this happen, you can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, you can buy food, your life insurance. These things you could continue on if you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses until something changes. Yeah, until your situation changes. Yeah. And the $1,000 will cover mercy up to $1,000. Okay. And when you have that money saved, you won't have to go get one of these, and run up a bunch of these. Okay? Because this is not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest. And this here is this. We want to stay out of this. Now, this will be good to have because this is using other people's money to have passive income and become financially free. It can help you to become an entrepreneur, start a business, and do whatever other things that you need to do to be financial free. Okay? All right. And if you can, do whatever you can to start trying to come out of this. You might need to increase your income to pay this off early. And that will help you beat a lot of interest. And if this is your situation, do whatever you can to increase it. Have more than one stream of income. Have multiple streams of income. That way, if something happens to one, you have some money to fall back on. Okay? And this is a great savings challenge if this is your situation, because it's working with small amounts of money. When we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. Now, if you are in this situation, I know you got to pay your bills or whatever, but like, say for instance, if I had a gas bill and electric bill, let's say they were $100, and I was trying to do this savings challenge, I would maybe not pay the whole 100. I maybe will pay $90 or something like that, and put some of it toward, take $10 and put towards your savings challenge for your emergency fund. You can take a little out of whatever bill you're going to pay and do something like this. Okay? All right. And let's have good behavior with money. Watch our spending. Don't spend money like there's tomorrow. I know this is Christmas and this is the season to be jolly. Everybody's in the gift-giving season, but how can you be jolly if you're in this situation? Or if you're in a bunch of this and this. How can you be jolly being in this situation? No, you can't. So we want to make sure we have our financial situation in order. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and read our affirmations really quick. What we are speaking into existence, things we want to happen and things we need. And also, always remember, the sky is the limit of what you have. If you want it, you can have it. See it in your mind, visualize it, and speak these things with power and authority. Okay? Okay. I decree and I declare large sums of money now coming to me. Money chases me down. I decree and I declare I am prosperous. Send prosperity now. I decree and I declare I am debt free. I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare my checking account and saving account balance is, and say what you want it to be. I decree and I declare all of my bills are paid in full, all of my needs are met. I decree and I declare I do not live in lack or want. I decree and I declare I am financially free. I decree and I declare I am a money magnet. I decree and I declare I am a rich multi-millionaire right now, and you know it. Okay? All right. And get glad about it and expect it. Receive it and believe it. Okay? All right. Now, let's go ahead. Now, today, I'm only adding 2 rows of quarters, which is $20. Okay? All right. So, let's go ahead and add this to our money jar. Now, if you don't have a container like this is fine. Just get whatever you can. This is a cheese ball container. This had cheese balls in it. Okay? So that's all that? No, one more in there. 10, 10, and 20. Okay, so that's $20. Okay, let's go ahead and record. You know, I was calling myself gonna try to cut out some of these savings challenges, but I like doing this. Okay, so today is December 14th, Sunday, December 14th, and this is our money. We call this our money jar savings challenge. The one with the $1 bills is money bottle, which that one's completed. And I have 2 more that's completed. The one that's done on Wednesdays with the photo album, and the one that was done on Thursdays with the rows of quarters. Yeah, those 3 are complete. Those 2 are completed. All right, so we added $20, and the total amount is $970. Wow, can you believe $970 is in this jar here? It's heavy like it is. Yeah. So, I hope this video is helpful. I hope you got great value out of it. Thank you for stopping by and joining me. And drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenges. Let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.